Welcome back to Learn the Names channel. Space objects are natural or human-made things that exist in outer space. They can be huge, like stars and galaxies, or very small, like meteoroids and dust particles. Let's begin. These are stars. Massive glowing spheres of hot gas, mainly hydrogen and helium, that produce light and heat through nuclear fusion. Our Sun is a medium-sized star, while others can be much larger or smaller. These are planets. Large, round objects that orbit stars. They do not produce their own light but reflect their star's light. In our solar system, there are 8 planets, including Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. This is a moon. Objects that orbit planets are dwarf planets. Some are rocky, like Earth's moon, while others have ice and even oceans beneath their surfaces, like Europa, moon of Jupiter. These are dwarf planets. Smaller than regular planets, but still orbit the Sun. They are round but do not clear their orbit of other debris. Famous examples include Pluto, Ceres, and Eris. This is an asteroid. Rocky, irregularly shaped objects left over from the early solar system. Most are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, like Ceres and Vesta. This is a comet. Icy, dusty bodies that orbit the Sun. Heat causes their ice to vaporize, forming a glowing coma and a long, beautiful tail that always points away from the Sun. This is a meteoroid. Small rocky or metallic fragments traveling through space, usually broken pieces of asteroids or comets. They are much smaller than asteroids. This is a meteor. When meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere, friction makes them burn up, creating bright streaks of light often called shooting stars. This is a meteorite. Meteoroids that survive the fiery trip through Earth's atmosphere and land on the ground. Scientists study them to learn about the early solar system. This is a nebulae. Vast clouds of dust and gas in space. Some are stellar nurseries, where new stars are born, like the Orion Nebula. Others are remnants of dead stars, like the Crab Nebula. This is a black hole. Regions in space with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse after a supernova. Some are found at the centers of galaxies. These are neutron stars. The dense cores left after a massive star explodes. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. These are galaxies. Huge collections of billions of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. These are star clusters. Groups of stars bound together by gravity. Open clusters have young stars loosely grouped, like the Pleiades, while globular clusters have older stars packed tightly together. These are exoplanets. Extremely bright, energetic objects found at the centers of distant galaxies. They are powered by supermassive black holes feeding on surrounding material. This is a supernovae. Planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Thousands have been discovered, and some are in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. This is a supernovae. Massive explosions marking the end of a star's life. They can briefly shine brighter than an entire galaxy and scatter heavy elements like iron and gold into space. This is a dark matter. Invisible matter that does not emit light or energy but makes up most of the universe's mass. Its presence is detected by the way it affects galaxies' motion. This is a dark energy. A mysterious force that pushes the universe apart, causing its expansion to speed up. It makes up about 70% of the universe but is still not fully understood. These are artificial satellites. Human-made machines launched into space to orbit Earth or other planets. They are used for communication, GPS, weather monitoring, and scientific research. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.